Okay, welcome. Chris Stanton here, owner of Oz Search Marketing and D2 Design here in Sydney, Australia. Now, obviously, as I said, we're looking for some contractors now to do our work, all of our work in terms of website design, website development, and on-page SEO. We've got plenty of contractors doing the off-page SEO, but we need some people doing the on-page stuff. So, first process here I want to go through is a website design process that we go through. So, obviously, on our side, we get the brief and all the requirements of the client themselves. And how we normally operate the website design process is obviously now we're just using just WordPress. We find WordPress is best for SEO by far. So usually we start off with 3 generic concepts for a website. So for example, in this case we did 4, but we only ever really need 3. So this was a career consulting agency. So this is the level of expectation I expect from our website designs. So there's concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, and concept 4. Now in this case this client wanted to go through a little bit further. So there we go once again. Just some minor developments to that website, and they ended up going for, I think it was this sort of style of design in the end, and then we build a WordPress theme around that. So that's our design process. Another client, for example, that we worked on, just to show you the difference, here was another website design concept we did for a completely different company. This one, and this one. So usually we do these in Photoshop, and then we produce JPEG versions. There's a final one, sorry. Now here's one more, for example, a physiotherapy here in Sydney. So there was one concept, there was a second concept, and here was a third one. So as you can see, 3 completely different concepts that we give to the client. The client then chooses a concept, then we develop the WordPress site out of that. So I'll show you how some of these sites have turned out. For example, here's one of our WordPress sites here, Southern Sports Podiatry. Obviously here's our Oz Search Marketing one. infrontsurfcraft.com.au, enzymegroup.com.au, and here's another one here called futurerisk.com.au. And that last physiotherapy one was called Parkside sportsphysio.com.au, and you'll see how the site ended up turning out. So as you can see, via those concepts which we did, so this was concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, they end up obviously liking this sort of style. As you can see from that, very similar to how the site ended up turning out. So that's what we expect in terms of level of design completeness and the variety of design in terms of the initial website design phase. Thank you.